Hello my dear kids, I hope you are doing well. Now today we are going to learn ascending and descending order. I know you are having idea about it, but still we are going to learn it for the bigger number. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay, look at this boy. That boy is climbing from down to the upper side. Okay, if this first, there is a first stair, we will write here 1. Okay, for second we will write here 2, then 3, and the 4, and then 5. Okay, 5 stairs are there. So how we are going to compare this? Now boy is climbing from 1 and he is going towards the 5. That means smallest to the biggest. If we need to arrange these number in ascending order, that means smallest to biggest. Which number is smallest in this? Obviously 1 is smaller, so we will write 1. Then after that, which number is smallest? 2. Okay, whatever the number you are writing, just cut that number. Not in this, but every time whenever you are doing such a type of problem, do like this. Okay, then which remaining numbers are 3. Okay, in these three numbers, which number is smallest? 3 is smallest. Okay, now 3 is also gone. Now 2 numbers are remain, 4 and 5. Which number is smallest in this? 4. Okay, 4, and then which number is remain? 5 is remain. Okay, so we will write here 5. That means the ascending order for these numbers is this. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's see for the descending order. How to do for descending order? Now what is descending order? Descending order means arranging numbers from biggest to smallest. Now the boy is climbing from up to down. Okay, now if we are numbering these stairs, this is stair number 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and 5. Okay, these are, we are giving the numbers. Now if we need to write this number in descending order, how we are going to write? From biggest to the smallest. Now you just tell me which number is biggest in these 5 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously 5 is greater. So we will write 5 first. Okay, 5 is gone. Now 4 numbers are remain. Now in these 4 numbers, which number is bigger? 4 is bigger. So after 5 we will write 4. Okay, 4 is gone now. Now after 4, these 3 numbers are remain. In these 3 numbers, which number is greater? 3 is greater. Okay, so we will write there 3. Now 3 we have write. Then 3 is gone. Then 2 numbers are remain. 2 is greater than the 1. So we will write 2. And what is remain now? 1 is remain. So that we will write here 1. Now done our. This is the descending order for these numbers. Now like this you can do for the greater numbers also. Now let's see some examples. Okay. Now what you need to do here? See, arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending orders. Some numbers are given here. You need to arrange them in proper ascending and descending order. Now while solving such a type of problem, what we are doing? First we are arranging the numbers according to hundreds. Now why here 100 is written? Because here all the numbers are containing 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits, and highest place value in these number is 100. If 4 digit number are there, then we are comparing their thousands. If 2 digits numbers are there, then we are going to compare their tens first, because we are comparing first the highest place value. Here we will compare the hundred first, then after that we will compare their tens, and then finally ones. Okay, and then we will get our solution. Let me solve this example for you. Now see, if we are finding the ascending order, okay, if we are finding the ascending order of these numbers, now what we are going to do first? First we are finding the smallest number, okay, smallest number. So compare their hundreds. Here 700, 100, 600, 300 and 128 here. Now 100, here 100 and this 100 is having the less value in this 100, 100, but the hundreds place is same. Now we are going to compare their tens place. We are going to compare their tens place. Now see here, at tens place, 5 is there in this, okay, in this 5 is there, and here 2 is there. Now which is more, which is biggest? 5 is bigger than the 2, okay, so that this 128 is smallest number. So while writing the ascending order, we are writing first smallest number. So we will write 128 first, 128. Then after that, what we will going to write? This number is gone now. Just cut that number, okay. Now 4 numbers are remain. In these numbers, which number is smallest? Now here 700, 100, 600 and 300. First we are comparing the hundreds. Now here which number is smallest? Obviously 100 is smallest. Then we are writing 159. Okay, 159 we are writing. Then this number is gone. Now after that 3 numbers are remaining. In these 3 numbers, which number is smallest? Here 700, here 600 and here 300. Now which number is small? Tell me. Obviously 300 is small. So after this number we will write the 395. 395. Sorry for the handwriting, okay, my handwriting is not that much good, okay. Now this number is also gone. Now 2 digits are remain. In these 2 digits, first 700 and then 600 is there. Which is small? Obviously 600 is smaller than the 700. Then we will write this value 621. This number is also gone now. 621. Then this is, now what is remain? 723 is remain. Now we will write 723. 723. Done. Now see, our ascending order is ready. Now let's see, is it correct? The answer is given here. Now let's check our answer. Okay. Now see, first we are writing 128, then 159, 395 and 621, and at last we are writing 723. Now all the numbers are exactly at their places. So our answer is correct. Now let's find the descending order for it. How we are finding the descending order? Okay, tell me now how we are finding the descending order. In descending order, we are writing first the biggest number. and at last we are writing the smallest number. Now first, while finding the descending order, first we need to find the biggest number in these numbers. Now first we are going to compare the hundreds. Here which number is biggest? 700, 100, 600, 300, 100. Which is greater? Obviously 7 is greater. So we will write the first, while writing the descending order. Okay, descending order we are writing here. So we will write first 723 first. Okay, this number is gone now. Now what is remain? 4 numbers are remain. Now in these number, which is bigger number? Okay, which is greatest? 100, 600, 300, 100. So 600 is greater. So we will write here 600 first. 621. Okay, done it is now. Gone. Now 3 numbers are remain. In these 100, 300 and 100. Now 300 is biggest number in these 3 numbers. So we will write here 395. Okay, 395. Done it is. Now this is also gone. Now 2 numbers are remain. Their 100 values are same. Okay, at hundreds place in both the numbers 1 is there. So we will compare their tens. Now we are going to compare their tens. Now see here. Here 2 is there at tens place and here 5 is there. So which is greater? 5 is greater or 2 is greater? Obviously 5 is greater. That means the biggest number in these 2 number is this one. This one. Okay. So we will write this first. So this is also gone now. Now we will write this number 159. Okay, 159. Now what is remain? What is remain? 128 is remain. That we will write at last. Okay, this is the smallest number and this is the biggest number. Now this is our descending order for given numbers. Now let's check it. Is it correct or not? If you are knowing the answers, then before I do this, okay, pause the video and do it by your own and then check your answer with me. If you are doing like this, then I will feel very much happy, because see, if you are doing right now only, so your practice will also happen and you will do it very fast. Now our answers are correct. Okay, you can see. Thanks for watching guys. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.